Hiya, my star kittens, and welcome to my advent calendar. And last time, with the 23, now comes the final one, the 24. Let's open it. Today we get presents, at least in Germany. And yeah, let's open the package. Well, that's the lid. Let's put it on. And bam, 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 bam. I think he likes that too much. Let's make it. Let's switch him on. That doesn't do anything. This does something. Yeah, you're a good boy. And oh, where are you going? Don't do this. Don't do it. This position does nothing. I hope you enjoyed that. Merry Christmas and bye.